My dear technician, welcome back to my new video. One of my technicians came all the way from Okanafon to my place here in Iduran, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. My dear technician, he brought this phone to me and told me that this phone fell inside water and he tried all possible means to make sure that this phone works. My dear technician is not working. According to him, he used chemical to clean the entire panel to make sure that every place here is clean and neat, but still not working. My dear technician, according to him, he checked the capacitors, resistors, and other components to make sure that they are working. But guys, all the components here are working, but the phone is not still turning on. My dear technician, he brought the phone to me and told me that, Father Joe, this phone fell inside water and the phone is not booting. My dear technician, he told me a whole lot of things and I told him, don't worry, I'll fix the phone for you. But before I start fixing the phone, let me allow you to hear his voice.
Good evening, friends. This is my phone here. I have issue. So I've tried all my best. I could not make it. So now let me bring it to my Father Joe. Father Joe, the boy, the IC and the team work again perfectly. Please like this video and share. God bless you all.
Guys, the phone fell inside water and the phone stopped booting. So he brought the phone here and guys, the phone is working. If you have any phone at all that is not working, the phone needs reballing, bring it here, let me solve it for you. Okay, that's it. So this is my technician from Okanafon. Yes, technician that came in from Okanafon. It's far from you. It's far. Seriously, guys, it's far from here. So guys, I'm waiting to see you. I'm waiting to see that phone that is not working so that I'll fix it. Okay, bye bye for now. We love you all. Bye. My dear technician, welcome back. So when he brought the phone, the first thing is for me to get the CPU removed. My dear technician, I know you're sure because I just removed the CPU. I know you're thinking, will this phone still turn on? Yes, I'll fix it back and the phone will work. My dear technician, I have to remove the CPU because there are sometimes corrosion or rust could just occur under the IC. Check this out. You can see what I just said, that right here we have some rust here. You can see some dirty stuff here. So this is the reason why this phone is not turning on. So this shows some pins and the IC could not be able to circulate power so that the phone will turn on. My dear technician, this is the reason why this phone is not turning on. So the first thing is for me to use my brush and clean it. Check this out. I clean it very well. I take my time to do it. Check this out. I take my time to do it. My dear technician, after checking capacitors, resistors, and a whole lot of components, and the phone is not still turning on, please check CPU. It is important. Okay? Check CPU. After checking the capacitors, diode, and other components, and you see that nothing is wrong with them, the next thing is for you to check the CPU. Sometimes the CPU is not bad, nothing is wrong, just that there is a corrosion, there is a rust under the CPU, so you have to remove it and then reball it, put it back so that the phone will work. My dear technician, this is the corrosion I was talking about. This is the rust that is stopping this phone not to turn on. And this rust is caused by the water. The phone fell inside water. So this is one of the reasons why the phone is not turning on. My dear technician, the next thing now is for me to clean the IC. Check this out. I take my time to do this. Make sure that you clean the lid. All those balls, make sure you clean it very well. Take your time to clean it. Do not rush. Take your time to clean it. If you have questions, you can let me know. Take your time to do this. Please don't rush. My dear technician, if you have any question, please let me know. If you have any question concerning this video, please let me know. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Okay? Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. Check this out. I take my time to do this. Check this out. I take my time to do this. Check this out. So let me also clean the one on the panel. Check this out. So let me take my time to do this. If you have questions, like I said, let me know in the comment section, please. My dear technician, check this out. Take your time to do this. Take your time to do this. Check this out. I'll be done. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out. I'm done. Make sure you clean it very well. My dear technician, so the next thing now is for me to reball the IC. My dear technician, if you want to learn reballing work, you want to learn how to reball IC, let me know. If you want to learn phone work, okay, just let me know, okay? If you want to learn it, let me know. If you want to ask me any question concerning this, you're free, let me know. Okay, so let me start the reballing process. No time to waste. Okay, so let me start it now. No time to waste. Check this out. My dear technician, check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. You can see it's melting. Check this out. Very good. It's melting. Check this out. Wow, so nice. Check this out. So lovely. I love this. I love this. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Boom, guys. This is clean. This is super good. Guys, I love this. Okay, so let me put the paste again and then run the second time. Okay, so that's I'll have the best reballing ever. Okay, so let me do it again. If you want to know the main reason why I'm doing this, let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you have any question concerning this, please let me know in the comment section. So let me put another paste. Check this out. Very simple. No time wasted. Very simple. Okay, no time wasted. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out. I'll be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. If you want to learn how to reball, very simple. No time to waste. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. My dear technician, I don't want to forward this part because I know a lot of people would like to watch this part. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. So let me blow again. Let me blow again. Check this out. Check this out. I'll be done. Check this out. Here we go. Here we go. I'm blowing. I'm blowing. Here we go. Check this out. It's melting now. It's melting. Check this out. It's melting. Check this out. Check this out. You can see the technique I use. You can see the technique I use. Very simple and easy. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. My dear technician, so lovely, so lovely. I love this. I love this, guys. I love this. 100% done. 100% done. My dear technician, if you want to learn more about reboiling, let me know. Okay, so I just add some flux and then let me blow again. Check this out. Check this out. I'm done. Okay, there's no need for you to blow again. I'm done. I'm done. Okay, so the next thing now is for me to remove the IC from the heatsink and clean it and put it to the phone panel and heat up, and everything is done. No time wasted. Okay, so let me turn the heatsink and disconnect the IC. Check this out. Please don't forward this video so that you will learn. Okay, I want you to learn. Check this out. Check this out. No time to waste. Check this out. So this is the IC. Check this out. 100% reball with no issue, with no shorting. Guys, the reballing is good, 100% clean, without shorting. My dear technician, check this out. I take my time to do this. Check the balls. I will show you, don't worry. I will show you. I will show you the balls, okay? Let me clean all those waste one. Check this out. Check this out. If you have question concerning this, feel free. Let me know if you have question concerning this. Let me know. Talk to me. Make sure you tell me something in the comment section. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this. I'll be done. I'm taking my time to do this. I want you to learn a lot. I want you to learn a lot. Check this out. I will be done. Check this out. No microscope needed. No microscope needed. Only my phone. But if you have microscope, you can use. Microscope is very good. If you have it, you can use. Check this out. My dear technician, check this out. Check this out. Check the balls. Check the balls. Very clean. Check the balls. Guys, 100% working. Okay, so the next thing is for me to put it on the phone panel. So let me put it now. My dear technician, so first of all, apply flux. Check this out. The next thing is for you to put the IC. Just carry the IC and put it there. Check this out. Check this out. Make sure you set it very well. Do not make mistake, because if you make mistake, you're going to do the reballing again. Okay? Check this out. Take your time to do this. Take your time to do this. If you have question, you can let me know. Make sure you set it well. Most technicians, they do fail here. Okay? So the first thing here is for you to set it. Make sure you set it very well. Follow the lines. Set it very well. Make sure you take your time to do this. Set it very well. If you don't set it very well, it will not work. So set it very well. Take your time to do this. Set it very well. Please do not rush. I'm taking my time to do this so that you will learn. That's why you see me, doing all this. I want you to learn, okay? My dear technician, so now let me hit the IC. Take your time to hit it. Take your time to hit the IC very well. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this, please. Do not rush, okay? Take your time to do this. Check this out. I'll be done. Make sure you confirm it. Take your time to do this. Okay, let me confirm whether it's connected. Check this out. It's connected. Yeah, I'm done. My dear technician, I'm done. The next thing is for me to add some flux and then hit again. Check this out. Check this out. No time to waste. Check this out. I'll be done. I just confirm now and it's okay. It's connected. My dear technician, I'm done. So the next thing now is for me to brush it. I have to brush it a little bit before I turn on the phone. If you have any question concerning this, like I said, let me know in the comment section right now. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Guys, let me turn on the phone for you guys to see. Let me turn on now for you guys to see 100% working. I'm sure, I believe that this phone will turn on. Okay? Check this out. Check this out. Let me turn it on. Let me turn the phone on. Check this out. Here we go. 1, 2, ready and go. Guys, it works. It works like magic, 100%. If you have any question, guys, if you have any question, let me know right now in the comment section. 100% working. All this small phone, in fact, is the simplest phone anybody can work. Anybody can repair it. It's very simple to do it. My dear technician, check this out. Very clean, very neat. Bye-bye. I love you.